How can I track a money order filled out with cash?
Hello, viewers. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can track a money order that you've filled out with cash. Tracking a money order is crucial to ensure that your payment has reached its intended recipient. Let's dive into this process.
What is a money order?
Firstly, it's important to understand what a money order is. A money order is a form of prepaid payment that's more secure than a check as it doesn't contain any banking information. You can buy a money order using cash, debit card, or traveler's check.
Where can I buy a money order?
You can buy a money order from many places like post offices, banks, credit unions, grocery stores, and even some retail stores. Each place will have their unique serial number or tracking number on the money order.
How can I track a money order?
Now, let's get to the core of our discussion, tracking a money order. Here are the steps. 1. Keep your receipt. When you buy a money order, you'll receive a receipt that has a unique tracking number or serial number. It's important to keep this receipt safe. 2. Contact the issuer. You need to contact the institution that issued the money order. Provide them with the serial number or tracking number from your receipt. They can use this number to track the status of your money order. 3. Inquire about the status. Ask whether the money order has been cashed. If it has, you can request a photocopy of the endorsed money order to see who cashed it. Remember, there might be a fee associated with tracking a money order. Different institutions have different fees for this service, so be prepared to pay a nominal amount for this information.
What if I lose my money order?
If you lose your money order or receipt, don't panic. Most institutions provide a process for replacing a lost or stolen money order. You might need to fill out a form and pay a fee, and it might take a bit of time, but the money order can generally be replaced. That's all for today's guide on tracking a money order filled out with cash. Remember, always keep your receipt safe and contact the issuing institution for tracking. We hope this video has been helpful, and you now feel more confident in tracking your money orders. Stay tuned for more informative videos.